All right, if you can hear me over the wind, get a little closer to the tree. Behind me is the ceremony area. If I look like I'm cold, that's probably because we have a winter storm taking place. This is Easter Day, and a week ago we were out here getting everything ready.
Here's a drone footage recap of the ceremony area before we started working on it. This drone footage is from before, so we could get the bird's eye view of the area to see how much wider we needed to go around the edges of the grass and weeds. Here we are looking to the west towards the pond. It is beautiful, isn't it? Here's a time lapse of Trent doing what he does best, as he prunes this tree to make it healthier and the walkway easier to go through. As you can see, there is quite a bit to prune up. Alright, so now what you're doing is Trent is mowing down, making a wider path for everything for the ceremony, and as you can tell, we got the hole filled in. Dad did a good job of doing that. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Oh, it's kind of loud, the wind and everything. So, Dad got the hole filled in, dug a pretty good hole to get the rocks out and everything. Here you can see Trent is helping me fly the drone for the first time. I was afraid I would crash the drone, but I didn't. Now you can see us hard at work getting the area seeded, dethatched, and aerated to make it full of grass and make it look good for our special day. Just in case you missed our proposal video, this is where he popped the question and I said yeah. We both got emotional. It was emotional and lots of happiness for everyone that was there to witness this. Our family and friends were there to enjoy our special moment. I expected it to be the last camping hurrah for the year, but turned out to be much more than that for myself, Trent, and everyone that was there to share our special moment with us.
And right there's the pond. So we have really strong winds. I came out here in the lull of the storm. We have another big band coming in, and well, boy, the wind is just crazy. So now if we look over here, there's the wind blowing. I believe they're forecasting wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour. I'm not real sure on that. So anyway, we'll show you a video of what we were doing a week ago right here now.
Alright guys, so what we've done so far is to continue on from the last message that I sent out. Is we are right now, he's aerating. He's putting holes in the ground, and the plugs come back out, and then when the rains come in, then they'll settle back down into the holes and fill the holes back in. After that, we're going to get the fertilizer down, and as you can tell right here, we got the drone up. The drone's taking a video too of him doing the aerating. And this little area right here is where we're going to be getting married at in September.
So we've got snow covering the whole area. This isn't really great for us to get to work, the snow, but it is good for the ceremony area. The snow will soak up in the seed, or the moisture will, as it thaws, and it'll actually do a lot of good. It'll make it sprout up faster. We're expecting rains last Wednesday. The rains didn't come through. We did get some rains right before the snow. And I don't know where we're at for, I suppose we'd probably have 3-4 inches by now, somewhere around there. but a lot of it's melted underneath because the ground was warm. So anyway, that's about it, because I'm freezing.
Bye.
See ya.